Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on REALME 12X. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI. Then click install. And now you have to click open. Now click here to skip introduction and then click open permissions. And now you have to select AI Assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you have to click back and go back again. And now you can click start. And as you can see, here's my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.